Good morning, children. Welcome back again in computer class. Dear children, today we are going to start chapter number 4 Files and Folders in Windows 7. Students, I know you have studied Windows 7 and its various components in the previous class. So, today we are going to discuss files and folders in Windows. Now, in this chapter, we are going to study how to create a file, how to create folder, and how to rename files and folders, and many more things. So children, this is a demo based chapter. I hope you will enjoy this chapter. So let's start.
What is a file? All the work that you do in a computer is stored in the form of files. That file can be of any type, like text file, image, picture file, music file, or drawing file. And these files are represented as icons on the computer. You can see the various files on my computer. All these files I have saved on the computer, and these files are represented as icons on the computer. So next is, what is a folder? So children, a folder is like a container for the files. If you want to save all the files at one location with your name, so you can create a folder. As ma'am has created this folder in my computer, there are so many folders. I want to open this folder. How to open? Double click on it. When I will double click on it, you can see here I have so many files inside that folder. So I can store a number of files as you want to save in that folder. You can store. There is no limit. Now next is, can we create a folder inside a folder? Yes, you can create a folder inside a folder. So here, if I will right click of the mouse, if I will press the right click of the mouse, you can see here the option new. At the top you will find a folder. Click on the folder. So here you can see a new folder appears. Now backspace this name and write your name from the keyboard. I want to write the name APS Udhampur. Enter. So the folder is created inside the new folder. You can see the name of the folder that we have opened, new folder. And inside that folder, the folder name is APS Udhampur. And also there are so many other files also. Now if you want to open APS Udhampur, can you open it? Yes, you can open. How? Double click again on it. To open any folder, double click on that folder. So here this folder is empty because we have not kept any file inside this folder. So this APS Udhampur is known as subfolder. A folder inside the folder is known as subfolder. And you can see this APS Udhampur is the subfolder of new folder C. So this is the basic idea about the files and folders. So children, next is how to view files and folders in the computer. Very important question. To view files and folders, on your desktop you can see this my computer icon. Double click on this icon. When you will double click, this window will be open and you can see in this window the various hard disk drives. These are the various disk drives on our computer. I have 5 drives. Maybe your computer has only 2 or 3 drives depending upon your computer storage capacity. So these drives are used to store the data of the computer. Whenever you save any document on the computer, your document is stored in any one of these drives. These are the storage locations of the computer. This is the CD-DVD drive. When you insert any CD inside this drive, you can access the content of the CD from this link. So you can view the content from this drive. Now children, look here. You can see this is a document folder. Children, if you don't mention any storage location while saving the file, then that file will be stored in a documents. This is the my document folder. You can see this is my document folder. And every time you ask question, ma'am, I have saved my file but I didn't find my file. So I say, beta, search in the my documents. This is the my document folder. All the files are saved in the my documents folder. And if you mention the location of during saving the file, then that file is saved at that particular location. Otherwise, it is saved in the my documents folder. Next is my music. So whenever you save any music file or you download any music file from the internet, that file is automatically gets stored in this folder, my music. And when you download any picture from the internet or you store any picture from the pen drive in the computer, that pictures are stored in the my pictures folder. And similarly, this is the my video folder. Whenever you store any video in the computer, it gets stored in the my video folder. So there are how many default folders? 1 my video, 2 my pictures, 3 my music, and 4 my documents. So children, how to change the view of files and folders? To change the view, you have to click here, more options. You can find extra large icon, medium icon, small icon. These 4 options just change the size of the icons. I will click on extra large icon. So you can see the images on a folder icon are displayed in a thumbnail view, very large view. In a similar way, you can see medium icons, small icons. Fine. Now next is list view. List view displays the content of the file or folder in this list view. This view is very useful when your folder contains too many files and you want to view the list of files names. So next is detail view. You can see in detail view you can see the name of files and folders, the date on which that file is modified, the type of file and folder, and the size. And the next is style view. It displays more information about the file. You can see the file name, the size, the type of the file. It is PowerPoint file. So it is displaying the more information about the file. And the last one is content. You can see the content of the file. So these are the various views of files and folders. Now next is how to select the file. Children, to select the file, you just have to click that file. This is the selected file. And when you want to select a group of files, just click slightly above this file, slightly above, and drag the mouse button. So I have selected this file. All the files that I have selected are highlighted.
So children, that's all for today. Rest of the topic we will continue in the next class. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Thank you children.